How to delete card details on your Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete a credit card from your Amazon account. So first of all, go to the Amazon website on any web browser of your preference. Now once you've done that, simply log into your Amazon account. Now once you've logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this where you'll have to hover your mouse above the accounts and list. Simply hover your mouse and then a drop down box will appear where you'll have to tap on the Your Account tab, which is right over here. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to select payment options located under the ordering and shopping preferences. Now once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to see the list of all of your different credit and debit cards. Now in order to remove the card or delete the card, simply tap on this arrow icon right over here. After that, a drop down will appear where you can see the option named remove. Simply tap on it and then you'll have successfully removed the credit or debit card from your Amazon account. So that is basically how you remove card details from your Amazon account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.